Hello, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste objects. To better understand what we are doing, be sure your Layers window is open. You can find it under the Window pull-down menu. Now select one of the drawing tools and create any shape that you like. When we open the sublayers of layer 1, you will notice the shape we drew. To create a copy of this shape, first make sure it is selected, click on it, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, hold down the Alt key as well. You will notice that the cursor now shows two arrows, which indicates that the object is being copied. Now move it to a desired position, release the mouse and then release the Alt key. Let's undo it. We can copy an object by using the keyboard shortcuts as well. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it. This, however, places our copied object in a random place. If you would like to copy and paste an object in a straight horizontal position, first click on the object, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Alt and Shift key as well. By holding down the Shift key, we can copy and paste an object at a 45-degree angle or in a straight vertical position. Let's undo the last few steps. We can also copy and paste an object in front or in the back of the existing object. To copy an object in front, first make sure it is selected. If we go to Layers, you will notice that the selected object has a small square next to it. Now press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it, and Ctrl F to paste it in front. And now we have two the same shapes on top of each other. Let's give this new copied shape a different color and move it to the side. If you don't like to use keyboard shortcuts, you can do the same by going to Edit, choose Copy, and then go to Edit again and choose Paste in Front. And here is our copied shape. Let's copy the yellow shape and paste it to the back. First, make sure it is selected. Now either go to Edit and select Copy and then go to Edit again and select Paste in Back, or use the keyboard shortcuts instead. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl B to paste it in back. And here is the copy of the yellow rectangle. Let's change its color. Now lock the layer with the yellow rectangle so it won't move. Next click on the violet rectangle which is behind the yellow rectangle and then move it to the side. Let's unlock this layer. We can also copy an object by using the Layers panel. Let's select the blue rectangle. Now click on the layer with the blue rectangle, hold and drag it into the Create New Layer icon, the plus sign. This creates a copy of a selected object and places it on top of it. We can now change its color and move it up. Let's undo it. We can also select everything and create a copy of all shapes at once. We can also create many copies of a selected object. First, click on the shape, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Alt and Shift key as well. Now press the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard to repeat this action. Continue pressing Ctrl D to create as many copies as you would like. There are many other ways to create multiple copies, which are more precise. One of them is to use the repeat function. If you would like to learn how to do it, please check out my other tutorials. I've included a link to them in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.